Money is often seen as one of the limiting factors for many businesses, but is this a myth or not? Napoleon Hill, in the famous book Think and Grow Rich, said that money in the hands of a man without brains is dangerous.
Hi, my name is Sheila Elliott and I am the founder of BSS Management Consultancy. Today we are going to be talking about money. Money in the hands of someone with financial intelligence can do a lot of good for the business. But when put in the hands of someone without the financial intelligence, it is useless and it cannot do any good for the business. In my many years of working with businesses, I have found many small businesses telling me that the reason why they haven't grown is because they have limited financial resources. Is this true or is this false? This is what we're going to be talking about today. Well, my perspective is this. I believe that yes, a business needs finance to be able to develop and grow its businesses, but when it comes down to it, if that business lack the management experience or the leadership skills, that business is not likely to grow. What will happen eventually, finances will run out because of poor decisions that are made, and the business will come back to square one, just like it was before the money was not given to them. So with me today, I have an expert accountant, Francis Royal, who will be sharing with us how to manage finances. And we're just going to talk about the basic financial systems that are required to enable financial resources to be managed properly. Francis, thank you so much for being here today. Could you quickly introduce yourself and tell us what are the basic financial systems required to manage financial resources?
Thank you, Sheila. As you said, my name is Francis. I'm Director of Setters Accounting, London South East. Well, you need, first of all, a basic accounting system. And you need an invoicing system in place. You need a system of credit control, a purchase order system, and a proper filing system. And of course, you need a computerized accounting system to put all of these things into place. Most importantly, which I always tell my client, you need to have a bank account, and that bank account statement needs to be reconciled on a monthly basis.
Thank you, Francis, for sharing your perspective on this subject. For those of you out there, you need to be aware that banks and private investors will always ask you for your accounts. Whether you like it or not, you have to have a proper accounting system in place. So I would like to further show you some of the tools that are required by you. You need a receipt book, something like this, which you can easily obtain from W.H. Smith. You need a paying book, which will enable you to bank all your checks on time with your bank so that you will have cash in your bank account to pay your own bills. Of course, you need a checkbook because ultimately you have to pay your own suppliers if your business should continue. Do yourself a favor, make sure all your invoices are properly filed so that the accountant's work will be made easy. And finally, I want to take this opportunity to tell you about a lady who had a problem with a business simply because she decided to sack our own accountant after she attended a QuickBook course. She thought she was going to make savings of £2,000, and so she decided to do the accounts, only to find that when the tax inspector from the Inland Revenue did the inspection, she owed them £56,000. She had done the account wrongly. This resulted in that business immediately closing down because they couldn't pay the tax inspectors. So, whatever you do, remember, accountants are there for a purpose. They will help you to put together the accounts correctly. And by the way, you can also get most of the tools digitally. And when you have done so, please continue to work effectively with your accountant. If you need any help in this area, contact us. And most importantly, if you would like to get a copy of My Business is My Business, do visit www.mybusinessismybusiness.co.uk. There you will find templates that will enable you to do a lot of these things. Thank you.